First, here, select the last column, the column just after the last data set. Then the formula sum, open bracket, and we select only the relevant cells. Okay. Okay, so you can click on this, you drag. Okay, we can name the first one total. Okay, so here we have managed to find the total score for each respondent, and we will use that. This is the first step to find the validity. Then next, we have to copy the data from the Excel, just the relevant cells. We don't need the other information. Then you go to the SPSS, select the first cell and paste. Okay, I think this is good. Yes, this is good.